aboard.
We're at the front of the Ortal train station at Camp Rokilio in Kiel, Wisconsin.
Whether you are a pack, troop, or crew, you're bound to have fun staying here with your unit.
And if you prefer to sleep outside, there's plenty of room in front and behind the train station to set up camp. There's even a dedicated fire pit out back.
Let's take a look inside. When you first enter the train station, you are greeted with a large activity room. Adjacent is a very spacious kitchen. Down the hall is a large bunk room that will sleep up to 16. And 2 smaller rooms will sleep 4 each. Shower and bathroom facilities are found throughout the train station. A second hallway leads to another large bunk room that will sleep up to 16, and 2 smaller rooms that will sleep 4 each. A bonus room at the train station even has a working model railroad. The kitchen and gathering area inside are huge.
They are, which makes it an ideal choice for the larger units looking to do projects inside during the winter or just to give themselves more space.
So if your unit is looking for a site to stay, consider the Ortal train station.